how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So if you want to delete all of the reposts on TikTok at once, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. So once you open your TikTok, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have repost option, which will be on the middle of your screen. You will have two arrows circled with each other. So you need to simply tap on that, and that's where you can find your repost. So if you want to delete your repost, or if you want to remove something from your repost on TikTok, then you can simply tap and open that video. And here it says that you reposted on the bottom left of the screen, right? So from here you can simply tap on the option which says you reposted, or you can simply tap and hold on to that video, and here you will have remove repost option. Tap on remove repost, and now your repost has been removed. So to remove all of your repost on TikTok, we don't have that option yet, but you can simply remove your repost one by one, or you can simply go back and then go for the upper right, which has that three band icon. Go for settings and privacy, scroll down, go for report a problem, and then scroll all the way down and tap on submit a report. And here you need to write that I'm not being able to delete all of my reposts at once. So I want to delete all of my reposts on TikTok at once. Please help me with that. And you need to tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, TikTok will get you some help. So that's the only way to fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.